In today's video, I'm going to teach you AI. Avatar. How to make custom AI. Avatar. We'll start from a blank canvas and walk through the exact clicks so you can create a polished AI-generated presenter in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Synthesia. Look for the official website in the results and open it. Once you're on the home page, find the Create option and select it. This takes you into the Video Maker, where we'll build your project. Choose to start from blank so you have full control over the layout. Give your project a clear, descriptive title so it's easy to find later. Next, clear out anything you don't need on the canvas. Default text boxes or placeholder shapes. Keeping only the essentials makes your final video easier to follow and keeps your avatar front and center. Now, select the character panel and choose the avatar you want to use. Browse the available options and pick one that matches your brand tone: formal, friendly, or casual. Place the avatar on your scene and fit the video. Adjust the size and position so it looks natural, typically centered or slightly offset to leave room for captions or visuals. Avoid stretching the avatar or covering important text. With your layout set, add your script in the script field. Write in short, natural sentences and include punctuation where you want the avatar to pause. If you have uncommon names or acronyms, you can add quick pronunciation hints in parentheses so they're read correctly. Keep the message focused on a single idea per scene to maintain clarity. When everything looks good, click Generate. A confirmation panel may appear. Confirm to start the render by clicking Generate again. The platform will process the audio and animation automatically. No extra editing skills required. Rendering time can vary depending on length, but a short clip usually completes in a couple of minutes. While it's rendering, avoid closing the tab so the process finishes smoothly. That's the complete flow. Search for Synthesia, open the site, create a new blank project, title it, tidy the canvas, select your character, fit the layout, add your script, and generate. Follow these basics anytime you need a quick training video, a product explainer, or a social post with a consistent on-screen presenter. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to replay sections while you build your own project and pause after each action. See you in the next one.